Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Marketplace. To begin, you will need to create a seller account by providing your basic information and verifying your email address. Once registered, take a moment to explore your personalized dashboard. This central hub allows you to view sales summaries, manage listings, and access important notifications, ensuring you have a clear overview of your marketplace activities right from the start. It's designed for ease of use, helping you get set up in just a few minutes. Now, let's get your products listed. First, choose the correct category to ensure buyers can easily find your items. Then, upload at least 3 high-resolution images and write a comprehensive description, highlighting unique features and benefits. Clearly state your price, considering any marketplace fees, which are typically around 10% per sale. Finally, specify your shipping methods and costs, offering options like standard or expedited delivery to cater to diverse customer needs. Once sales start rolling in, efficient order management is key. When a new order arrives, confirm it promptly, ideally within 24 hours. Communicate clearly with your buyer about their purchase, providing updates on processing and shipping. Package your items securely, ensuring they are well protected during transit. Always provide a tracking number as soon as the item ships, allowing both you and the customer to monitor its journey until it reaches its destination safely and on time. To truly thrive on Zen Marketplace, optimize your presence. Explore promotional tools like featured listings or discount campaigns, which can boost visibility by up to 30%. Regularly review your sales analytics to understand what's selling well and identify areas for improvement. Focus on providing excellent customer service, responding to inquiries within a few hours, and maintaining high product quality. These strategies will help you build a strong reputation and achieve sustained success on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.